There are so many things we have to do to learn English language, even any language. We do reading, writing, listening. We do everything what we hear. Talking about listening, you can listen to news or any speech. Nothing is wrong with them. But we have to learn to talk with friends, with family or anyone. I don't think so you can't learn talking to friends or any person by news or speech. Today in this video what I am going to share with you, by this you can talk to friends, family or anyone. So stay with me till the end of the video to know. Hello everyone, my name is Inder and welcome back. First of all, let me give you a relevant example which we all know, just to remind you. You think about it, a small baby, we don't give him anything by writing. He learns everything, he watches his family speak and tries to speak. That's how we have to do it. Okay. My perspective regarding listening is very strong. When we listen, we feel like speaking. If you really want to improve your speaking skill, then I would recommend you do more listening. Try listening to the conversation of two people. This lets us know how they are responding to each other, how they make connection with each other. Mostly we used to say that I have to speak English. My friends speak English very well and I also have to speak it. So again, I would recommend that you keep listening. The main thing what I am about to share with you, you watch interviews of any celebrity and most of them are in English only. It is not a prepared topic. They are talking about real life like career, personal life, personality and many more. And from there you get the vocabulary and sentences which you can speak with your friends or family members. If you don't understand something, you can take the help of translation. And this is a fun practice. Definitely you do it. Secondly, I would like to say that embrace your mistakes. When we learn English, we often focus on mistakes. It is a natural process. Do you know that mistakes have power? How will correction come when you or I are not at fault? So mistakes don't make us fall. They teach us. So no worries about mistakes. No one is perfect. Even native speakers make mistakes all the time. And we will do. We have an option to correct them. We can correct our mistakes. Remember one thing, no one can achieve anything without practice. Make a rule of your life. Practice, practice, practice. I hope this video made you sense. If yes, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you find my tips and tricks valuable, then share my videos with your friends. Keep practicing. See you soon.